Most marketing teams say that they're data-driven, but in reality, getting the right data at the right time is often easier said than done. Today, I'm going to share how we help the Databricks marketing team use data 3 times more often to make their decisions. Hi everyone, I'm Elizabeth Dobbs, the AVP of Marketing Technology here at Databricks. My team's mission is to help our marketing organization make better, faster decisions with data. We own the marketing data and technology stack end-to-end, from marketing platforms and operations to engineering, identity, measurement, and ultimately the dashboards and the data products that our marketers rely on every day. More recently, we've also been embedding AI and intelligent agents across that stack to automate workflows and help marketers act on data at scale. Like many companies, our marketers were dealing with the fragmented systems and unreliable reporting. Data lived in multiple places, dashboards were often stale, and the demand for insights was far outpacing the capacity of our analytics team. To solve this, we use Databricks to unify all of our marketing data into a lakehouse, built within the broader company-wide Databricks Lakehouse, shared with our partners in finance, sales, and product. On top of that unified foundation, we built our own Marketing Genie, a natural language analytics assistant we call Marge. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how we built Marge and how we use our own platform as customer zero to accelerate decision-making and scale marketing efficiency. What began as a small prototype serving 10 users and a single use case has since grown into a trusted self-service tool used by 85% of our marketers, handling more than 800 questions a month. And let me start with the challenges that first pushed us to act. Our marketing team has struggled with inconsistent data and stale dashboards, and many marketers simply didn't know which numbers they could trust. We wanted to put accurate, governed answers directly in our marketers' hands in seconds, not days. Second, our analytics and engineering teams were spending huge amounts of time answering stakeholder questions. However, many of these questions are repetitive, but still nuanced enough that marketers couldn't easily find the answers on their own. And when we began this journey about 3 years ago, the first step was to build that Marketing Lakehouse, a unified, governed customer data foundation built within the broader Databricks Lakehouse used at the company. Our Marketing Lakehouse became our single source of truth for go-to-market data, aligning marketing, campaign, and sales data around consistent definitions and metrics. It's laid the foundation for what came next, Marge, our Marketing Genie, which has brought conversational analytics directly to our marketing team. So what is Marge? She's our conversational analytics assistant for marketing, built on the Databricks AI BI Genie platform. We've trained Marge on the data and the context in our Marketing Lakehouse, including definitions for regions, products, channels, campaigns, ensuring the answers reflect the actual business metrics rather than generic outputs. She speaks marketing. Unity Catalog provides centralized roles-based access control, ensuring each marketer only sees the data that they're authorized to access. It's also where we define and categorize our data assets and maintain a clear lineage so users can understand exactly where the data in the lakehouse has come from and ultimately how it's being used. Here, marketers begin their day in Databricks One, a business-friendly interface that serves as a single entry point to dashboards, Genie, apps, and a place for a deeper analysis. When a question is asked, our supervisor agent simply routes the request to the appropriate Databricks Genie to generate the most accurate response. Within marketing, we've built on Marge's success by creating specialized Genie spaces for areas like web performance, digital analytics, and marketing planning. These focused environments have allowed marketers to ask deeper questions within a narrower context, improving both the precision and relevance of the answers that they receive. And for more complex why or how questions, Genie can switch into deep research mode, automatically generating a research plan, evaluating multiple hypotheses, and providing the marketer a plan of action they can take back to the business. To ensure accuracy and trust, we're continuously improving Marge through feedback loops, benchmarking, and ongoing evaluation. The result, instead of waiting days for analyst reports, the marketers can simply ask questions in plain English and receive trusted, governed insights in seconds. And ensuring trust has been our top priority from the pilot through rollout and ongoing iteration. Marge will never be 100% perfect, LLMs are not, but we focused on 4 key mechanisms to make it as accurate, reliable, and trustworthy as possible. First, strong data documentation in Unity Catalog. Up front, we've explicitly defined our data model and how the tables relate to each other, so Marge understands how to join data sets to return accurate results. We use Unity Catalog to centralize metadata management and ensure consistent descriptions and column annotations. We started with the AI-generated feature to produce the first pass of documentation, and then we manually reviewed and enriched it with business context with partnership from the marketing stakeholders. Second, we use certified answers and example queries. For common, high-value questions like conversion rates, customer lifetime value, event registration data, we just create certified answers. These act as trusted assets that have been validated by a domain expert, and they're clearly highlighted in the UI, so users know the response and underlying SQL are verified. We also seed example question-answer pairs, a feature of Genie, so Marge learns how to handle these complex scenarios and can generalize those patterns into similar questions. Third, clear instructions and behavioral guidelines. We give Marge structured instructions to guide how it interprets questions and when it should ask for clarification. One principle we enforce is that Marge should never guess. The request is ambiguous, it will always ask for a follow-up question. We also encode domain-specific context, like what we mean by fiscal year, region, pipeline. We include synonyms, for example, users might say spend or investment, even though the actual column name is cost. Marge understands that nuance. Finally, continuous feedback and monitoring loops. Every response allows users to give a thumbs up or thumbs down. That feedback alerts the marketing analytics team so we can investigate and continue to improve the system. Admins can review the ratings and comments in a monitoring dashboard and respond directly to the users if needed. And operationally, stewardship is lightweight, about an hour a week for one BI manager. We've also proactively evaluated performance using the benchmark queries. We run regular accuracy tests against known question-answer pairs, and ideally we want to hit 100%. If that drops significantly, it's a signal to us that something in the context or data model needs to be adjusted. Together, these 4 practices have helped us ensure that Marge delivers answers that marketers can actually trust. And the other key to Marge's success has been driving and sustaining adoption. As I often tell peers, this is not a field-of-dream product. If you build it, marketers will not come. A big part of the work was making marketers feel invested in the process and confident that Genie was built for them, not something we built and handed to them. And a few lessons from that experience. Start with the users, not the data. We partnered closely with the marketers to understand the questions they ask most often, the dashboards they use today, and even the language they use when asking those questions. That input shaped how we trained and configured Marge from the very beginning. Second, start small and focused. Our first use case was an email campaign performance. So initially, we included only the core tables needed for that analysis: campaign details, recipient lists, engagement metrics. Once adoption grew, we gradually expanded the scope to include additional data sets like account information, campaign attribution, but all of this was largely driven by the user demand. And third, embedding Genie into your marketing workflow. We integrated Marge directly into our analytics support process. Every marketing analytics ticket receives an automated response asking, "Have you asked Genie?" Our analysts don't engage until the requester comments on whether or not they've tried it. This filters out the basic 101 and 201 questions so our analysts can focus more on the complex 301 and 401 level work. Lastly, incorporate feedback quickly. We're continuously updating the Genie space with improved metadata, new example queries, and refined instructions based on user feedback. That iterative loop keeps the system improving and helps users see that their input is directly shaping how Marge is evolving. And together, those practices help us move Marge from an interesting tool to something that marketers actually rely on in their daily workflows. Marge has become the single biggest time saver for our marketing analytics team. It is now the fastest way for marketers and analysts to get governed answers to their data questions. Instead of our team fielding hundreds of ad hoc requests, we're focusing on maintaining high-quality data and trusted definitions, and marketers can go directly to Marge for the insights. This has shifted our capacity in analytics to higher value work. Analysts and engineers have moved from reactive data pulls to more strategic efforts like experimentation, model design, and improving these foundational data products. As a result, technical bandwidth is no longer a bottleneck for campaign launches or QBR preparation. Adoption has also been strong. After rollout, usage grew 50% quarter over quarter, and today, Marge is used by over 85% of our organization. That scale has allowed us to support the business without adding headcount. Marge has already answered more than 5,000 questions, and we've improved the system. The rate of flagged incorrect responses has dropped by over 25%. Ultimately, the biggest impact is on decision-making. Marketers spend less time waiting for answers and more time acting on them, leading to faster campaign adjustments, smarter segmentation, and more informed budget allocation across our organization. And now that you've seen the impact of Marge and how we got here, I'll leave you with a few takeaways for the team starting a similar journey. First, self-service analytics only works when the data foundation is strong. Your data needs to be governed, trustworthy, and connected to a unified customer view. Without that foundation, AI simply amplifies confusion instead of adding clarity. Second, central governance is what allows you to move quickly with confidence. One of the biggest accelerators for us was Unity Catalog. By centralizing data governance, definitions, role-based access to sensitive data, we're able to scale access to insights without sacrificing control. And third, trust ultimately comes down to user behavior. Start small, observe how people actually work day to day, and refine the experience based on their feedback. When users feel like the system is built for them, adoption will follow naturally. If Marge's story resonates with you, and you're thinking about how to empower your own marketing team with a unified data foundation and conversational AI, we'd love to help you get started. Thank you.